From watching this video, you will learn the workflow for a bridge in the TRIOS application. Starting on the patient's page, select the patient, then click New Case. The order form will appear. Select the lab. If you only have one lab, this lab is automatically pre-selected. First, mark the teeth that are going to be prepared. The teeth will be highlighted in blue. From the anatomy drop-down list, select crowns as the restorations. Then select the material in the material drop-down list. And if you have a predetermined shade, select it in the shade drop-down list. Now select the tooth for the pontic. In the anatomy drop-down list, select crown pontic. Select the material and shade if needed. Now mark all the teeth comprising the bridge. From the bridge drop-down list, select bridge. Finally, set the delivery date. Now you may proceed to the scan page. Use a retraction cord and/or hemostatic agent if parts of the margin are subgingival. In this case, start by scanning the opposing arch to allow time for the retraction methods to take effect. As the preparation is on the upper arch, on this particular case, start by scanning the lower arch. Follow the official scan strategy, which is start by scanning the occlusal surface from the molar to the canine. Then, as it is the lower arch, slowly roll to the lingual side and move the scanner in the distal direction. Finally, slowly roll over the last molar and scan the buccal side. Now proceed to the upper arch. Scan the same area as in the lower arch. There are two ways to scan the arch with the preparation. The first option is to remove the retraction cord, dry the preparation, and scan the preparation with a clear margin immediately, before the gingiva collapses. Make sure to cover the margin well. Then, paint the margin using the lock tool. This will freeze the margin in its current retracted state, thus preventing it from being updated with later data when the gingiva might have collapsed. Now complete the scan using the official scan strategy, which is continue scanning the occlusal surface from the preparation to the canine. Then, as it is the upper arch, slowly roll to the buccal side and move the scanner in the distal direction. Finally, slowly roll over the last molar and scan the lingual side. The second option is to leave the retracted cord in place and scan the arch following the scan strategy. Then trim away the margin in the scan with the trim tool. Remove the retracted cord, dry the teeth, and scan the margin immediately before the gingiva collapses. No matter which method you prefer, make sure that you cover the prep area entirely, including the margin line and contact points. Verify this by zooming in on the preparation. Turn off colors and rotate the preparation. Finally, mark the preparation using the prep mark. Once you set the prep mark, the software will automatically check if there are any areas near the preparation that have not been scanned. If any holes are found, you will be informed by a pop-up. Pressing the pop-up will rotate the scan to show the areas not scanned, indicated by amber arrows. If the holes are located at critical areas, such as the prep, margin line, or contact points, you will need to add some scanning here. Otherwise, no further scanning is required. Now you have the opportunity to take a shade measurement and a HD photo. A HD photo may be useful for the lab to set the margin. Now move to the bite scan page. Insert the scan tip to the second molar on the buccal side. ask the patient to bite. Scan 3 or 4 teeth until the upper and lower arches snap to the bite scan. The light blue surface indicates the surface covered by the bite scan. Go to the Analyze page and confirm that there is enough space for the reconstruction between the upper and lower jaw, using the clearance tool. Optionally, set the margin line. You can also add some comments on the 3D scan using the Annotation tool. Finally, switch to the Send page. After verifying the order, press the Send button. Now you know the workflow for a bridge case. And thank you for watching.